welcome to Take a Step to a Better You, a channel I started to share what I now continue to learn. And in this one, I'm going back to the basics of affiliate marketing. I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is and a little bit of how it works. If you are new here, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner here in Virginia, USA. If you believe that you deserve more, you could make your life better, this is the channel. Consider subscribing to this channel. Click on that button, subscribe button, and also when you click on subscribe, there is a bell that comes up. Tap on it too so you get notified when all this stuff is happening. And always, please add a comment for me. That's the only way I know you watched it. And of course, liking. You like before you comment, right? So, what is affiliate marketing? It's common, you hear it. Please don't confuse it with network marketing. Affiliate marketing has been here forever. Only maybe they didn't call it that name. So to set you off, let me explain what you've seen. Like if you went to buy a car, normally not the owner of the dealership is not the one coming out to sell you the car. They have like sales agents. They have like brokers. That person who shows you the car, talks about the car, and, maybe takes you driving, testing it out. That a broker would be like an affiliate, because this is the person who explains how this works and then hands you over to buy. So when you are online and we're talking about you being an affiliate marketer, you are just promoting products or services for other companies and they pay you to do that. Only everything is automated. I'll show you how you learn to do this. But for now, I have to first explain what it is. If you are really interested, I'll show you how you can start. What you are called, the way they refer to you, the businesses, like if you, like for example, online right now, Amazon.com will call you an associate. I have another company I promote, they call us partners. But the more common name they give you is affiliate. So you are either an affiliate or an associate or a partner. Okay? That's how that works. But what you are really doing, you are just referring people to things. And you better, like I'm about to explain, you better refer to people to things you really believe in. Because your job, you are right here, as I'm about to explain, you are telling people about something that you really believe in. And if they buy it, you get a commission. Now, the commissions are in most cases, they are percentages, running all the way from like the little, like I think Amazon.com, some of them are like very little commission. The percentage could be like 2%, 3%, but all the way to 100. The more common ones from the things I promote are like 15%, 20%, 30%, 50%. But sometimes it's a fixed amount, or it's a percentage. And for some of them, it's actually not even it's pay per action. Like if people submit their email or people like or click or whatever, so you're paid for just people taking action. Now, these things I have here, I wrote them already because I didn't want to spend too much time writing. It makes the video too long. So you see on this side, I have businesses. You know, businesses, actually, they're in the businesses of solving problems. Okay? They solve problems by providing products and services. Now, on the other side, you have consumers or customers. They have their problems. They are trying to solve those problems using these products and services. So, your job is to connect these two. You are like right here, you. Although they're already in the market, they're promoting and getting their own customers and all that, but you come in the mix. I was here when Amazon.com was created. Here, Amazon.com, Jeff Bezos, and I remember that time I had a website. He used other websites to send like this thing of referrals, affiliates, to send traffic to his website. At that time, I was selling children's books. I remember I had a page where I had other books, and these were Amazon.com books. So whenever someone clicked on those links to go to Amazon, at some point I remember, that was some time ago by the way, which year was that? like 2000, maybe 2000, 2002, around there. I was reading about it, that he had like 500,000 websites sending traffic to his site. See what became of Amazon.com? It's because they're using affiliates. Okay? So that's how big it is. This business of affiliate marketing. Although he calls them associates. Now, when you decide, please follow me here. If you are interested in this topic, actually, these products and services fall into three main categories or three main niches or niches, depending where you are in English. Now, when you're starting out, you want to know which one you are likely to be in, which niche. It's either the health, number one, or it's the wealth, or it's relationship. Let me explain. So all the products, for example, if you talk to me, I would first ask you, what do you normally care about? Do you care about people's health? Do you care people's wealth, money, like me? Or do you care about relationships? Relationships are a little bit actually bigger, it's wider. But let me explain now. The health, if you are the kind of person who's always caring about eating well, exercising, maybe older people having supplements and all that, if that's your kind of thing, some people do these things just to make the money. They say which one is more popular, which one makes me profit. But I would suggest, especially the social media that we use to promote, you better do something you really care about. So if you care about people's health, I would say you sign up for this, you promote anything to do with health, equipment, anything healthy. They could be services, they could be products. You could even be promoting doctors, I don't know, dentists or whatever. That could be your niche. That's what you want to talk about. Or you could be like me. I like to talk about people having some money. And I take it to a level of starting a business. So I could even mix in some health if I wanted, but I'm known for talking about making money, creating a business, stuff like that. So that will be the wealth. Now, this one, the relationship one, is wider. It has more stuff. It's not about men and women, I don't know, and relationship. It's the things they use. For example, if you're someone who cares about people looking good, if you're a female and you care about cosmetics and lotions and what people use, right? You could come and start that. You could even have a YouTube channel. You're on TikTok. You're everywhere talking about the cosmetics, what people use. You show them how to use makeup or maybe hair product, whatever. It could be that. Or it could be clothing. Like right now, I could be here promoting this. I say, okay, if you want to buy what I'm wearing, tap a link in the bio. The way this works, the businesses will give you links, but the link has a code in it. They know that's your link. So when people are buying, when you hear people say, click a link below, tap a link, that's their unique link. The health, the wealth, and the relationships. So what you do, don't just jump in and start promoting things. It's better you learn how all this works and also the mindset, because this is not for everyone. You expand a little bit on the relationships. The things that also fall here, like cameras. You see, cameras, Think Media. If you know Think Media here on YouTube, right now over 2 million subscribers. He started with cameras. All he did was talk about cameras. He knew all kinds of cameras. So if you're starting a YouTube channel, we'll say, okay, starting off with small budget, you buy this one. If you're going big, buy this one. So people would go there to listen and watch. He would come live and explain all these cameras. And actually what he was doing, he was sending them to Amazon.com. He talks about the amount of money he made just promoting cameras. So it could be the person promoting cameras. You could be a person passionate about maybe phones or computers, whatever. Affiliate marketing is the promotion of other companies' products or services to earn a commission. All you do is refer people. All you do is sometimes you review things, like explain it to people and then recommend it. I suggest, please, don't promote things you don't understand. So you have to understand it first. Sometimes you get a sample and use it before you recommend, or people are not going to trust you. because it's about trust. People trust you to recommend good things. So you make sure you know what you're talking about. Don't just promote something because you saw an image and looks good. No. Know how it works, explain to people, then people will trust you, they buy, you earn a commission. Commission, I'm reviewing. Commissions could run for anywhere up to 100%, although that's not so common. But it's more common to get like 10%, 20%, 30%, like that. And you can choose. I suggest you get to know. You get to choose. Some people choose because of where the more money is made. But I'll say at least care about the thing you're promoting. So you can choose from health. You could combine. You could say health and wealth. You could say relationships and wealth. Mostly money. Everyone wants the money, right? So if you want to talk about making money, but you also want to talk about something else, that's fine too. But you want to be known for something. Like when your name comes up, some people even brand themselves with that. That when you see someone, you know they're going to be talking about at least that category, not necessarily one thing, but in that niche, because it also helps you get targeted people who are going to buy whatever you're suggesting. Again, you are just here in the middle, just promoting, and as people buy, you earn commissions, you use links, your links, but it gets to another level. You could brand yourself where these companies start paying you to record videos for them, or you see sponsored content. So it goes to another level. Then later, as you become an expert yourself, you could create your own courses, your own products. People have done that right here on YouTube. But when you see YouTubers, all those famous people you see on social media, they are all into this. They are all promoting for other companies. Okay? So that's my hopefully short video. I haven't seen how long it's gonna be about what is affiliate marketing. I hope you understand it. Please don't confuse it with network marketing. The two are not the same. We'll just promote products. It's legit only if you're promoting something and you don't trust the company. But assume you're promoting a trusted company, trusted product. This is good. Most companies have refunds. So like when you're promoting something, people don't like it, they have a time to get their money back. So that's also, it's at least for the things I promote, there's always that one. They give you 30 days to get your refund. So as you're promoting, try to get things like that where they allow people, if they're not happy, they can ask for their money back. That's why I like American companies. If you want to get to know, to me to support you, I don't charge money to do that. I support people if you want to be in my community. I'm so passionate about it. And why? I think it's a good way to start a business, the easiest way you can start a business online. Okay, like I always end these videos, I say take care of yourself, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your family, take very good care of your health. Please like it, please add a comment for me. And if you want to start, link in the bio, the description here, make yourself to a better you. Bye-bye.